As we discussed earlier, in the 7-Minute Life University, you have access to several elements of your learning journey. You have access to e-courses, live classes, tools, and community. Let's break that down step by step. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the 7-Minute Life e-courses. In order to find the courses that you have access to, you can go back to your library, which is university.the7minutelife.com/library. You'll find the courses that you're enrolled in and that you have access to. All you have to do is click directly on the tab here and you'll be able to see your progress as well. The progress bar is shown just above the View Class button. The standalone e-courses can easily be accessed by clicking on the individual thumbnails, whether you're looking at the Essentials Training or the 7-Minute Life Training System. You can also access the standalone courses from the Homepage tab. This Homepage serves as a hub. Simply click on the Home tab to quick access the courses. Again, you're going to find all 4 courses that are included in your learning journey. And I highly recommend actually bookmarking this homepage because this is the place where you'll be able to find all of the elements of your learning journey all in one page, just one simple click away. You can also find them, the courses, when you click on the tab in the top of the navigation bar. All of the classes are included. So these are the 4 courses that are included in this membership. After this Getting Started course, where you're learning how to navigate the platform and you're finding out all about the foundational terms and definitions and concepts of the 7-Minute Life, where you'll be going next is the 7-Step Bootcamp. The 7-Step Bootcamp will give you a guide through a 7-week progress. It's a process where you'll be putting into practice some of the foundational parts and principles of the 7-Minute Life. By clicking on the 7-Step Bootcamp thumbnail, either in your library or through the home page, you will land on your course dashboard that looks like this. Now, all of the course dashboards look a little bit different, but they will look somewhat similar to this platform where you have a home page and you enter into that specific course. And then on the left side, you're going to find different modules of the course. So on the left side, navigation, you'll see the morning routine, priorities, etc. You can navigate to each section by using that left navigation. You'll also find the challenges if that's included, and you can also download any of the tools that the video classes are discussing. The best way to get here is to start on the Start course. And this will either say Start Course or Resume Course, and you'll always be able to jump right back into where you left off. One thing I want to point out is that some of these courses actually are supposed to be taken at a certain time over a weekly period. That's the case, for example, with the boot camp. On this screen, you're going to see a little icon to the right of every module. That just means the module will be unlocked at a certain time. For example, at the boot camp, every week we'll unlock a new module for you. And that just ensures that you're really taking the time to do your weekly challenge and to put into practice everything you're learning before you move on to the next step.